Mahindra has officially confirmed to bring the 7-seater versions of the Thar very soon. The new generation of Thar will get 5 doors. The new model of the Thar was seen many times testing on the Indian road. Mahindra has a plan to launch this new 5-door Thar at the end of 2022 or early 2023 at the expected price between 14 to 18 lakhs ex-showroom. The new Mahindra Thar 5-door variant will be based on the modified versions of the existing platform. It will come with long wheelbase, improved ride quality, advanced driver assist system and 6 new colors. After launch in the Indian market, the SUV will be the rival of newly launched Force Gurkha and the upcoming Jimny. Talking about the power, the new 5-door Thar will be available in 2 engine options. BS6 compliant 2-liter M-Stallion turbo petrol engine which can be able to deliver 150 bhp of power and 320 Nm of peak torque, and BS6 compliant 2.2-liter M-Hawk turbo diesel engine which can churn out 130 bhp of power and 320 Nm of peak torque. The petrol engine can be able to give the mileage of 15 kmpl, whereas the diesel engine can be able to deliver 13 kmpl of mileage. The engines will be mated to an optional 6-speed manual or 6-speed torque converter AMT gearbox. 4-wheel drive system with a manual shift transfer case will come as standard. Talking about the exterior look, the new generation 5-door Thar will be almost the same in look as the outgoing Thar except few changes. Up front it will get the same circular headlights and the signature 7-shot grille, front fender equipped LED DRLs, 2 fog light setup and updated front bumper. The side profile will not get major changes except bigger wheelbase with 18-inch crystal cut alloy wheels and 2 doors in each side along with side footrests. The rear profile also is expected to get the rear LED taillights, rear washer, defogger and rear wiper, tailgate mounted spare wheel and updated rear bumper with bumper mounted rear fog lights housing. The interior of the SUV will not get major changes except 7-seating capacity. The SUV will get the same airy cabin, power adjustable steering wheel with steering mounted controls, cruise control, semi-digital instrument cluster, new 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, push button start and stop, remote keyless entry, premium sound system, automatic climate control, multiple bottle alerts, 12-volt charging point, Bluetooth enabled music system with aux and USB connectivity, leather upholstery with seat lumbar support, height adjustable driver seats and rear seats with 60/40 splitting options, and remote fuel lid opener. The new 5-door Thar will be equipped with a number of standard safety features including advanced driver assistance system from XUV 700, ABS with EBD, engine immobilizer, hill assist and hill descent control, electric stability control, automatic emergency braking, speed sensing automatic door lock, seat belt and reminder, dual front airbags, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, speed alert, roll cage, panic braking signal, lane keeping assist, snow chain provision for tires, central locking and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.